Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction? Today, guys, we're here with Enigmatic with a song called Purpose. So the G reached out to me and said, yo, dog, I have a song, you know. I said, yo, run it. So here we are with Enigmatic Purpose. I like the sound of that title there. Like it. I don't know why, but that's like it. But let's hear what the G said. Let's go, bro. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video.
Yeah.
Hold on, cover art. Strong message right here. Can't lift up the cover art. Cover art. So we see procrastination mark out. Obviously, you know what procrastination mean, basically being lazy, sitting around doing nothing, lazy. That's the sort of thing that it means. Self-doubt, we all know what self-doubt is. That cross out also. So basically, the G tell us, yo, forget about them two words, yeah. Them not in a theme dictionary, brother, cause procrastination is not in a theme thing and self-doubt is not in a theme thing. So purpose. Yeah. True.
Search.
Rapture music.
Keep jump that, but me never jump fence. Regular my pre-figure like wines. Vice in head, so I can't skip that again. Coulda lift up on my tip, but my got lift from pen. Pull up, yo, pull up.
Hold on, man. Him sound good. Him small, him bad.
Believe. Everybody have a purpose.
This well put together, like
Search.
first 10 seconds, you can tell when a song well put together and actually mixed down and sound proper. Let's go.
Skip jump that, but me never jump fence. Regular my pre-figure like wines. Vice in head, so I can't skip that again. Regular my
breakdown.
Jump that, but me never jump fence.
Yeah. Man say him skip jump that, but him never jump fence. Him skip and jump that, but him never jump a fence.
Skip jump that, but me never jump fence. Regular my pre-figure like wines.
So him a tell you say you're regular. Vice in him head tell him say, yo, listen, brother, go and go do that. Go and go procrastinate. Go and go lock ends. Go and go mix up in the wrong crowd. Me not depend that. Me not do that. That's what the G tell you. Him not do that, brother.
Skip jump that, but me never jump fence.
Yeah.
Regular my pre-figure like wines. Vice in head, so I can't skip that again. Coulda lift up on my tip, but my got lift from pen. Start write song till man dance well.
Man say him gonna lift up on what?
Coulda lift up on my tip, but my
Him say him coulda go lift up a matic. But guess what? Instead, him gonna lift up a pen, brother. Pen, brother. Him pen him weapon right now, dog. That's the only weapon him need. He don't need no bomb matic. That him I tell you. That bad word the legal over here. Legal. Bust a shot for the one there. Let's go.
figure like wines. Vice in head, so I can't skip that again. Coulda lift up on my tip, but my got lift from pen.
Yeah.
Start write song till man dance well. Do it from my heart, never follow no trend. When one door like another one open. Many work all, but I enigmatic chosen.
One time you see a group of friends apart and you have some of the man they mix up in a foolishness. Yeah, one of you pick the right road and say, yo, this me I do. Remember, you know, all on our brethren, all on grow up together, all on good. But guess what? You see, your goal and my goal are two different goals, brother. Your dream and my dream are two different dreams. Uno a dream figure kill people and go out fuckery. Me a pray figure inspire people, dog. You see me, cause me see my life with a purpose. No found in a life with a purpose. That's why I can do so much foolishness, bro.
Tried song till man that's well. Do it from my heart, never follow no trend. When one door lock another one open. Many work all but I enigmatic chosen. Brother, why your purpose? I saw you plan to live your life like circles. Minutes to society, the system of hurt you.
Brother, why your purpose, dog? Like, what is your purpose? I saw you plan to live your life like a menace to society, dog. Eh? Police are gonna kill you. The system are gonna murder you, dog. The system not gonna tolerate you for long, brother. Your one friend that we murder you same way. You know? Yeah, dog. Have a purpose, man.
Brother, why your purpose? I saw you plan to live your life like circles. Minutes to society, the system of hurt you. You leave it yourself to nobody, no be no burden, I'm certain.
You can't be a burden to people nowadays, bro. You have to go out to go look it for cook it for your own self, your own pot. You see me? Yeah, dog. Some of we born with talent in a dog. Some of we born with talent and we waste it in a brother. Some of we born very talented and we waste it, dog, because of friends, bro. Have a purpose, brother. Have a mind of your own. Think for your own. Self-doubt. Love that, man. Believe in yourself, man. That happen, man.
Brother, why your purpose? I saw you plan to live your life like circles. Minutes to society, the system of hurt you. You leave it yourself to nobody, no be no burden, I'm certain. Well, live on, we learn. Do not be no scapegoat out I heard. Life out there, if you live in I world. Cause everybody have a purpose.
I always say this, brother. Life out there for live. You see, enough of them man where do things more time. Them just dating them community are going with fuckery, brother. If them for venture out, brother. Them has to say, yo, life nice, dog. You see me, take a trip, bro. Life nice, dog. Life nice. Life in general nice. You see me? Life is what you make it. Have a purpose and work towards that, bro.
Life out there, if you live in a world. Cause everybody have a purpose.
It's bad. Me like that song, dog.
Everybody have a purpose.
Me like that song, bro.
Everybody have a purpose. But step one you have to search for. I me I rap me want a story. Build me want a trophy, so me take me want a glory.
Boss, I tell you, see how him I write him want a story, dog. Him know him story. Only you can write your story like how you can write your story. Nobody else can write your story for you, bro. Nobody give nobody no chance for writing a wrong story about you. You write your own story, bro. Live the life. Live the life for your love, dog.
I me I rap me want a story. Build me want a trophy, so me take me want a glory. Figure it out and everything them show me. So me not gonna sit down and back to nobody but them want me.
Brother, the boss say yo basically him a figure it out for himself, dog. Him a work it out for himself. Him have a brain, dog. Him a work it out for himself. Him not gonna sit down and ball and tell nobody say yo dog, you want me come in help you and me do this. No. Everybody get the same 24 hours in the day. What you do with year 24? Eh? What you do with year 24? Me I do something good with my one. What are you doing?
Show me someone I can sit down and back to nobody but them want me. Nah, run on your fame. Want to some great. Big dreams and accolades. Slow and steady win every race.
Yeah.
Brother, why your purpose? I saw you plan to live your life like circles. Minutes to society, the system of hurt you. You leave it yourself to nobody, no be no burden, I'm certain.
Enigmatic, you're bad, bro. You're bad, bro.
Scapegoat out I heard. Life out there, if you live in a world. Cause everybody have a purpose.
You have a purpose. Yeah. It's bad. It's bad, bro. True. Facts.
Just embrace life. Just a bask yourself in a prosperity.
True.
If you're not evolve, you're not really live.
True. Yo, that youth are powerful. That youth are him powerful, and I don't think him know how much people that sang ya itself I got touch, bro. Like, I don't think him know how far that song have the potential to reach, dog. Like, this solid your fuck, bro. Everybody have a purpose, dog. What you do with your 24 hours matters, bro. Enigmatic. First, me listen to one of your songs, them, bro. You're bad, dog. I'm gonna subscribe to the G Vivo right now. Guys, I'm gonna leave a link. I'm gonna leave a link to that song, yeah. That song, yeah, depend him Vivo. So, I want to go subscribe to him Vivo. You see me? And I also want to go over there in the comment section and tell him, say, yo, we send you over the dog. Yo, this have a purpose, bro. Everybody have a purpose, dog. You see me? Yeah. So, bro, yo, this powerful, bro. This powerful. This fucking powerful, bro. This solid, dog. This solid, bro. Yo, this bad, dog. This bad, bro. I no joke. I no shop talk, bro. I'm gonna end that one here still. But I'm gonna listen to that one here.
Everybody have a purpose. Search.
Jamaica's worst gamer.